All right, storm warning. So this is one of those national broadcast things. Message from KALYNWS. Okay, but there's no audio. The broadcast has no audio at all. So apparently, if you're blind, you're probably going to die right now because you have no earthly idea what's going on. The audio just went off on your TV. You can't hear a thing at all. And you better hope that there's a sighted person in the room to tell you what's going on, because there's no audio accompanying this broadcast. As a matter of fact, not only is there no audio accompanying the broadcast, there's no background audio on the original broadcast. Normally they'll bring your natural audio down, and then you'll hear the beep, 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 and then, they'll do the broadcast. But now we're not even getting that. We're just getting a National Weather Service thing and nothing else, which is really kind of drives me nuts, because you had one thing to do, emergency broadcast people. One job. And it's looking to me like we're probably going to get, because it's between the 4 to 7 and 2 to 4. We're right here in this range here. So I'm going to predict 3 inches. I'm going to do that. We'll see how that goes. I'll see you after the storm. Well, I got to say, the weather guys were, they were right. We ended up getting about 10 inches of snow. Ted and I got out here this morning and plowed everything up. The driveway is actually cleaner than it looks. Hey bud, how you doing? How you doing? It's actually cleaner than it looks, but we drove through the pile to get the car back out here because we had the car parked over there. And I'm not cleaning that dead clean because that is all ice right now. Holy cow. Yeah, I scalped a little bit of grass here and there, but that is what happens when you end up plowing. So I cleared out pathways so that we can get back to the barn and stuff like that. And then we cleaned up all the walkways. Right, Ted? So, for a change, we actually got the storm we predicted. Alright, so Mary said I was overestimating the amount of snow, so this is all hard-packed stuff underneath. So I know that the ruler... and she was right. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's a little bit under 5 inches of snow. Another test sample. Yep. All right, so I doubled my initial assessment of it. But in all fairness, the two of us were inside the plow, so it looked like 10 inches of snow. All right, Ted, you can go back inside. I got to go to work.